Jake Weimer. This is my Kawasaki 450, and this is how I set it up. First off, everything I always try and run pretty neutral as far as bars, nothing too far forward, nothing too far back. Levers, kind of same thing. Renthal bars, ARC levers. We got the One Industries, KYB. Everything's, you know, like I said, nothing, I try not to run anything too crazy, not too stiff. Everything's pretty, you know, middle of the road. So I'm not super picky about most of it. Obviously, you know, the bars, levers, all the controls need to be in a certain area. All the Kawasaki factory parts, triple clamps, motor parts, Dunlop tires. I usually run the same rear one pretty much every time. Change a little bit, but almost same Dunlop every time. So that's about it.